Today I'll be talking about Parkinson's disease. It's a slow, progressive, age-related neurodegenerative disease of the brain where the neurotransmitter dopamine is poorly secreted because of the nerve damage. Now, the exact cause of this disease is unknown. It is idiopathic in origin. However, who are the people who are at high risk? It's usually found in males at the age of 60, and the trigger factors could be exposure to pollution, exposure to pesticides, and also in 10% of cases it is found in families, that is could also be genetically inherited, but that's very minimal. Now, what are the symptoms? It is more related to the motor nerve function, rigidity, stiffness of the muscles, tremors when at rest, slowness of the movement. All this gives rise to problem while walking, difficulty in balance, and there is gait issues. Now, which are the signs which are non-motor and the first to appear? It could be a mask-like appearance of the face. The person does not blink that frequently, drooling of saliva, difficulty while swallowing, and slowness of writing. The patient is not able to speak loud. That's because of the poor muscle control, anxiety, depression, and dementia. So, all this can be definitely clinically assessed, and investigations such as MRI, PET scan, and blood investigations are helpful. Diagnosis should be done early as possible so that medication can be provided, because exact cure is not possible in Parkinson's disease, but definitely with help of medicines we can retard the quick progression of the disease.